could get used to late nights dancing my place. I could get used to long drive.
Good morning, guys. So it's Wednesday. Happy Wednesday, and today is our fourth day here in the Phuket. We're just upstairs ng rooftop pala ng aming hotel because we were so tired from Similan Island. We did the island hopping yesterday. It was surreal, and actually masama na yung panahon na yesterday. It was so bumpy sa dagat, especially nung kami ay pauwi na. It was scary at first, pero syempre wala, patatagan na lang talaga. So from that trip we paid 4,900 baht. That's 450 dirhams per person. That's include everything, kasama na yung lunch, yung 4 islands, to be honest. And it's kind of pricey, pero alam mo yon, medyo nadala na rin kasi kami na mag-attend ng mga cheap packages dahil especially when it comes to food, hindi, medyo komplikado kasi yung asawa ko sa pagkain. So kahapon talaga, it was a great food that we had, and nag-provide naman sila ng para sa kanya. So it's a good deal for us, and we really enjoy the place. So yeah, ngayon lang kami, slow down, city walk lang ang gagawin namin again dito lang din sa lugar. Then we will gonna go to Simon show, mga daw yun, mga ladyboy, mga LGBT na mag-perform. So sabi nila it a must to try. So siguro magbibigay lang ako ng some clips kasi it's not allowed to take a video or picture during the show. So we'll see. Hey guys, it's Happy Friday, and today magche-check out na kami sa first hotel namin. Actually, the weather is really bad. Well, not really bad for an Asian country. No, it is raining. To be honest, kahapon pa to umuulan. We were doing a island hopping sa Maya Bay, Phi Phi Island, and
hindi ako nakapag-vlog kasi syempre mas priority ko yung mga vlogging equipment ko. Mahirap kasi kapag mababasa ito. Mahal siya, girl. And yeah, we're packing stuff now. Yan, nagkalat siya. And ibababa lang namin to sa may reception. Then we're planning to go to the mall. Actually, kagabi, meron kaming napuntahan na mall. Dito lang din sa around the area ng Phuket, sa Patong. And that's quite big, ha? At kung i-compare mo sa mga prices sa Dubai, that's more cheaper. And aside from that, nag-hoarding ako ng mga beauty products dito sa Thailand that I wanted to try. Lalo na sa hair ko kasi naglalagas talaga siya. Grabe ang lagas niya. Minsan, alam mo yung, ewan ko kung may mga ka-relate, ayaw mo nang suklayin after mo mag-shower kasi grabe yung dami ng nalalagas na buhok. I think this is the part of hormonal changes talaga. Well, I'm more than 40 now, so hindi na siya surprising. Pero syempre, hanggat maaari, prevention. Kasi ayoko makalbo, girl. Diba? Anyway, so we're just packing things. Then we will gonna move out to a new hotel. Diyan na pala kayo. So, welcome to my vlog. So, ang tagal bago ako nakapag-vlog and this vlog is about our travel sa Phuket, Thailand. So first, of course, we will gonna do the room tour. Actually, galing kami sa unang hotel namin and hindi ako nakapag room tour doon kasi sobrang naging busy. And now, this will be our second hotel dito sa Phuket. Magstay lang kami dito ng 2 nights and flight na namin ng Sunday. So yeah, this is kinda resort. So, nasa bundok kami ngayon. And when you enter, ayan ang makikita mo, di ba? So, they have the open lavatory here. It's me again. So, ito yung push pala. Shower. Then, nakaseparate siya. Then, they have all the stuff in here. So, open yung pinaka lavatory area niya. And masyado silang generous sa tubig. By the way, guys, this is the Crest Resort and Pool Villas. Then they have the connecting double bed, I believe. Masyadong malalaki ang kama nila dito. Yung pinanggalingan namin was Super King. So, it's kind of vibrant when it comes to color coding ng kanilang yan. So, meron doon na sofa. Not sofa, it's lounge. And then, that's mirror again. So, from here, that's the view. Literal, nakakarating lang namin talaga. Then, here is our balcony. Meron siyang dalawang, syempre, diba? Then, look at the view. We have the view of Patong Beach. And then, there's a mountain. And then, another beach. Napaka-gloomy niya nowadays. So nowadays, napaka-gloomy niya. Siguro, yung first 3 days namin dito, di ba? Windy siya ngayon. First 3 days namin dito, okay pa, maaraw pa. But, after that, sobrang lakas ng ulan. Bumabaha pa, para lang nasa Pilipinas na may baha. And, yeah, we still don't know what we were gonna do for today. Siguro, we're just thinking na magbabad sa infinity pool nila. I'll gonna show you kung gaano kaganda. May sea view din siya. Actually, medyo maliit yung pool nila, but the view is really amazing. So, welcome guys to Ma Doo Bua. So this is one of the Instagrammable place here in Phuket. Actually, hindi kami nabigyan ng chance for the photo shoot. So, ganito na lang siya. We're just lucky kasi nandito kami sa harap. So, somehow, umayon pa rin talaga. And we can just take picture anytime. So, ngayon, mag-order lang kami. Actually, free naman siya. Basta kakain lang kayo. Yung photoshoot dito na may kasamang drone, chargeable siya ng 800 baht. And I think 4 picture or 8 pictures na yun. Kasama na yung drone. So, and it's raining guys. So, we're just gonna enjoy and take some photos.